space?
Space? I think I know, but a very little. Like I know Sun, Earth, Moon, Mars, Jupiter. I think that's it.
Uranus and Neptune and Pluto?
Uranus and Neptune. They are what? Stars?
No,
Then
planets.
planets. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's what I told you. No, I don't know about every planet.
Earth spins
Spins
around the sun.
around the sun. Okay.
We can't feel it because gravity is here, and we can't see outer space.
Acha, outer space means
It's literally in space.
in space. Okay. So because of gravity, you are saying we cannot see.
Yeah.
Oh,
We can't like jump very high or something.
all right.
We can't see outer space.
And what about in other planets? Can we jump? Is there gravity in any other planet, or it is only in Earth?
Only in Earth.
What about other planets?
No.
What about Moon?
Moon?
There is a gravity? No. Can people jump there? Then
Yes, but it goes so high.
so high. Acha. And acha, can you tell me planet one by one, which is the closest to sun, then which is the hottest, which is the coldest and smallest and biggest, and which has rings around, and which has red hole, and which one is the coldest?
Do you know?
What?
Every planet has rings.
Every planet has rings. So why can't we see them?
They're so tiny we can't even see them.
Acha. I thought, rings has only on what planet? Saturn?
And Uranus too.
Uranus too? Acha, I did not know that, honestly. Okay?
Yes.
ठीक है. I will. If you'll teach me, I'll learn. I'll be a good
And
student.
do you know?
What?
In what is the lead spot in Jupiter?
No. Jupiter has red spot. Why? And what is the size of it? Is it small, big, or biggest? Biggest. And what is that? Why Jupiter has a red hole? Red dot.
Lead spot.
Red spot. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Okay, it's a tornado.
It's a tornado.
A lead tornado.
Really? So that red tornado that keeps happening every time.
No, it stays forever.
Stays forever. Can people go there? I mean, human being or living thing?
No way.
No way.
They can literally go so fast. They will seven astronauts try to go on Jupiter, and the end of the gas in the real Jupiter,
ठीक है.
but they still died.
This died. They couldn't come back.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Jupiter is that dangerous.
Oh my god. I thought it's a big one. Looks very beautiful. So I thought it must be crazy, but not dangerous.
It actually is.
Yeah. Okay. ठीक है. What about next?
Next,
What is the hottest planet?
hottest planet.
Which one is the hottest
It's so easy, Venus.
one? Venus.
Yep.
But it stays just next to sun, right?
It's the coldest planet too.
It's the coldest planet too. How come? Hottest and coldest
At
together.
night, it's coldest. At daylight, it's hottest.
Hottest. Acha, which is the first planet after sun?
After sun.
Huh. The very.
You know.
I don't know. I forgot.
Mercury.
It's Mercury. So that must be very coldest, no? No. Sorry, very hottest, no? Because it's just besides the sun.
Mercury.
Then
Venus.
no. I'm talking about Mercury. Is it coldest or hottest?
No. It's medium hot.
It's medium hot. Okay. And can you tell me the sequence? Like
Sequence.
after sun, names of the planets. First is Mercury.
I get it.
Which comes after?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto.
Pluto. Total how many planets there are?
9.
9. Earlier there were 9 and now there are 9? Or
No, it's
earlier there were 10? Now it is 8. Which planet is not there now?
You know,
No.
Pluto is actually still there.
Still
But
there.
scientists think it's not there.
So we consider there are only 8 planets now and not 9.
Yes, scientists think it is.
Can we search it for the Pluto?
No, but you can ask me. I know.
ये जिमनी गाड़ी थी ना जिमनी ये पूरा चार
It's actually still in the solar system.
Okay, got it.
It's a dwarf planet because it's even further away than Neptune.
Further away to Neptune.
And do you know?
What?
Actually, Earth is in the Goldilocks zone.
Goldie?
Locks zone.
What does that mean?
It's a
Gold-
zone, but Earth stays there.
Acha. So what types of zone are there apart from Goldilocks
I
zone?
don't know, but scientists only figured out that is Goldilocks zone.
Okay, got it. ठीक है. Okay. Which is the biggest planet?
Because of course you know.
No, I don't know.
It's literally Jupiter.
Jupiter.
And the next second biggest planet Saturn.
Saturn. Acha. And what is the smallest one?
Pluto. Dwarf
Pluto. Acha, it is a dwarf.
planet.
Okay. And what about Mercury? It's a big, smallest.
It's literally smaller than the moon.
Mercury.
But it's Pluto is the smallest.
Smallest. I see. What's next?
And you know
What?
that you know the Jupiter is made of gases.
और ये अभी खोला 3
Jupiter is made of gas. There is no earth, soil.
It actually is.
क्या करूं
Yes, no.
सुबह यार 5 बजे उठते
It only has gases.
No.
No. Acha, it has foils. Can
No,
human?
no.
Ah.
Wait. Do you know
और भी आया
why
था, तो
can't you
करता
see
रहता
the
है, चलाने का तुम्हें बंद ही
ground on Jupiter?
Acha, we cannot see ground on Jupiter.
बताओ
Why? I don't know. First of all.
It's inside the gas. It's a ball and very strong. Even stronger than diamond.
शीशा
Acha. And it is inside the gas. The ground is inside the gas. You are saying.
सामान है क्या
Okay.
उसमें बताओ
Okay. Got it.
You know what is the difference
अब
of
ऐसी फोड़ चोर चार
tree tarantula and tarantula?
What is that?
हाँ,
It's a
हो,
tarantula
What is that? It's a
type of spider.
spider. So let's do one.